got Sugar Jam, the Southern Kitchen. Let's see what this place is.
I say
now.
this place was lit. It was really lit. Live DJ was packed full of us, okay? It didn't have no seats inside, so we had to sit outside, which was cool, but it still was hella hot because we is in the desert. It's the menu, so we're gonna go ahead and place our order. That's what I wore today. Thought I was cute or whatever in my yellow.
She got the catfish and grits, and I got the French toast and barbecue chicken strips. Let's see what they do. For her birthday today, you guys. Her birthday is actually Monday. Let me make sure I say that right. She's gonna beat me up. I'm gonna make sure I say that right. We just took some pictures. These are so freaking cute. The food was great. We had an amazing time. You guys go check this place out. What is it called? Sugar Jam. Okay, old school, y'all. We having a dang good time in Scottsdale, Arizona.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you at the next video.